If you're anything like me, the start of the meal can be just as exciting as the main course. I love appetizers and I love a good mocktail. It's always important to stay hydrated, whether it's a Wednesday or a holiday. So let's start with this Cider Kombucha mocktail. It's super simple, but it's so seasonal and flavorful. So let's start with a nice honey and sugar cinnamon rim on the glass. You could also use maple syrup if you are vegan. Okay, so pretty. We're already starting nice and seasonal. Get some ice in there. So what we're going to do is put 2 parts of apple cider to 2 parts kombucha. So you're getting a lot of that good probiotics. And then we're just gonna garnish it with a cinnamon stick and a slice of apple. 2 cinnamon sticks, why not? So pretty. So as it is right now, it's great for kids and adults alike. But if you want to make it a little bit more festive, you can add a splash of whiskey or even some spiced rum to make it super seasonal. Cheers!